Use code terminal and new terminal. npm install react paginet. npm install react paginet. npm install react paginet. Enter. Installation is completed.
सर एक बार और बता दीजिए। एक बार और बता दीजिए सर, वो जूम उसमें ओपन कर रहे थे।
ये लिखा हुआ है ना, अब चैट में हमने भेज दिया आपको। चैट में है npm install react paginet.
अच्छा सर।
Okay, installation is done. Next, after that, go to your home.js file in user folder. Home.js file in user folder and import this line. npm install react paginet from react paginet. You need to import that. Imported. Next, come down. This will be little here there code, so we have to manage it. Next, I will share you few lines of code. You need to add it. That I will be sharing in the chat. Okay. Perfect. Let me share you the code. These few lines are there. You will add it before return. You need to add it before return that I sent in chat. Add this manifold before return. The code is available in your chat. You add that code before return. Okay. So hope everyone added. Now setup code is next. We need to add. That is under the map function. Filter, not filter. All product dot slice dot map. Okay. Very small code you need to add. This much of code you need to add before map function. See where I am adding. I'll go here. This is the map function. Map function. Before map, we need to add that much. Like after product dot slice, off page, on page, and this much. So this much I am sharing in your chat. Please add it under the map function. How I have added, you can add here this much. Before map, you need to add all product dot slice offset. Okay, so added. Now see here. If you see in the beginning, per page how many items? 5. Per page 5 items, correct? How many items we have in current page? 4. 4 is there, so definitely there is no logic of pagination. Pagination will not come because 4 are only.
No, sir.
5 you change to 2. 5 you change to 2. So in first page 2 record, second page also 2 record. After changing to 5, check now, is it showing only 2 photo? Two products.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It will show only two products. Only two products. Then question is, where is the remaining product? Product is there only, but it's not visible. Okay,
Yes.
it is inside the loop, only it has read the first two elements. The remaining it has not read. Okay, we will provide below the link. Page 1, page 2, page 3. When we click on that, it will go to the next product. Yes. Let me show you the next set of code. Will be fixed code that we need to simple paste. Okay. So you can see one division is there. Division start, division end. This entire we need to paste at end of our page. In our page, this is the map function is running here. Correct? Map is running here, no? Returning the 333. This is row is end. Row is end. After the end of the row, we need to paste that. Okay. So let me say here. So this code I will add here. This is the row. After the row, or okay, after, because it should be within the container only, else JSX problem will come. So within the container, you paste that. Okay. Within the container, I pasted that. Next, after this, if I go to my browser, I can see previous and next. Second button click, next product. First button click, first product. Right? So please take this code now and add after the row within the container. Add after the row within container. And then check link is coming or not. Okay, so hope your pagination is working. Right. So what we'll do is this home page, no home.js file, you keep safely. Don't delete with the project. Okay. Home.js file, you will convert into home.txt file because JS file you cannot attach in your Gmail. Home.txt, create another file and keep as a home.txt or home.html anything and attach in your email. You only send an email to your email ID saying like pagination in React. Okay, whenever you required in the future, download it and no need to search on internet here and there. Within 10 minutes, pagination will be settled. Okay, in the same file, we'll add the search also. So search and pagination will be together. It is required in every project. Okay, so whenever you required in future, download one file take the required content, add it and modify and give. Okay. In company, people will say quick learner. Okay, let's go. Pagination is happening. Next, we need to work on search part. We will have a search button in the right side. In that, whenever we type 400, it will display only those products that is 400. We'll type for Dell, it will display only Dell product. It will not display all. Okay. Come next. First, create text box. In HTML, in container, create a row. Create a row. मिल गया? हाँ? तो नीचे रख दिए क्या? अच्छा, क्या करेंगे? अभी प्रिंट हो रहा है। Okay, come now create a division. Class equal to row MD34. Inside that, create a division. Call -lg -8. Next, call lg 4. Under the 4, you create a text box. Input type equal to text. Class equal to form control. Form control. After that, placeholder equal to search. Search. And you have already one state function here, keyword and update keyword. This one I have given while giving the code. So on change, you call the update keyword. On change. On change equal to obj update keyword obj.target.value, just like this. Ready? Come next. The text box says like whenever you type anything here, I will search from the list and I'll give you. Whenever we type something here, it should search from the list. And wherever it will match, that will display. So let me go here. Very small code is there. We need to add. HTML is that much only. We need to add this part. Now look at here. You have added slice before math, correct? Yes. Now before slice, we need to add this much. Filter function. All product dot filter. Filter is a function that used to search the record. Filter, and then from all product one by one, with the help of filter function, it will go to the post variable. From all product one by one, it will go to the post variable. Then it's checking post dot name dot lowercase. Like inside, look at here, inside our array, what we are printing? We are printing the name, no? Product dot name, correct, is the column name. Similar way, condition is written. In that individual product, there is a name, convert into lowercase first. Because some product will be uppercase name, some product name will be lowercase. So first, in that product list, individual product name, convert into lowercase. And after that, check what user has typed, that will come under the keyword. Keyword also convert into lowercase. So what is the product name, that also convert into lowercase, and what user has typed, that also convert into lowercase. And after that, with the help of include function, check in product name, the keyword is matching or not, that is given by user. With the help of which function? Include function. If I remove this lowercase, then you will feel very comfortable. Look at here. Feeling easy? Post.name, that is nothing but product.name. If it is includes the keyword, which keyword? That given by user, then only return that post. Means then only return that product. If it is not matching, then don't return the product. Okay? Right. But what will happen? Sometime user will type in uppercase. Sometime product will come in lowercase. The product name is lowercase and user has typed uppercase. Will it match? It will not match. Right? It will not happen. So for that purpose, we need to keep the lowercase also. Now let me add it and show you. Yeah, hello. Okay. We called it. We had called it. ओके, आप समझ सकते हो कि थोड़ा इधर उधर आदमी भाग भूग हो जाता है. ओके, सॉरी सम, बिकॉज नो, when you are bachelor then you have individual phones. Yes. But once you become family, so many dependency will be there, right? Okay, so and that also Monday to Friday mostly classes will not be delay much, 5 minutes 10 minutes maximum. But on weekend many things we need to manage. Yes. Personal life, professional life, health problem, everyone here and there all. Okay. Okay, so let me add it first, then I'll guide you. All product dot filter till here, till where? Till here. Because already we have all product slice we have added, map we have added. Now pending part is this much. Before product, I need to add the slice part. Okay, so you see, I will add in the new line, become a slice. Something, let me format it first. Slice I'll keep in the new line, dot slice, then dot map also I'll keep in the new line. Okay, then all product dot map, one line is okay. So this become one line, dot filter. Then you have already dot slice onwards. Slice is already there, dot map is already there. Before that, what you need to add? This much. All product dot filter. This much we need to add. Before comma, after comma. I will filter once and let this. Okay. Happening. PHP, I search PHP, it is showing only PHP.
Yes, sir.
MySQL, showing only MySQL. Node is not there. Right. It will increase. How many data will come from backend? That algorithm is written here. You can see. It's written like current page, first this one, into per page. Current page into per page. Then current page into per page. After that you can say all product dot length, all product dot length divided by per page. Per page how much you are given? 5. 5, sorry, 2 we are given, no? Suppose 100 product is there. 100 divided by 2, how many? 50. 50, correct? So then after that, math dot cell some function is applied to calculate what will be the remainder and all. And again, page count. That is nothing but page count. 20, 30, 40, how many it will be that page count. And here is called the offset. Offset means where you are now. Where you are now. That is called off page. Offset. Okay. Current page plus per page something. Multiply and then finding the offset. And now when we click on link, you can see this on change event is calling. Here you can see it. Handle page link, handle page click. When you click on that, then this will call and it will do something. Yeah, let me go here and come down to the, okay, so I need to share this much, okay, filter function. Okay, hope added. Check now. Search should work now.
So it will happen after clicking enter. There is no on click button, right?
Where?
After search, it is happening. I mean, it will be happen
On
after enter, clicking
On
enter.
change, on change, on change.
Okay.
On change event is written here. Where is that? Here, on change. Can you see here? On change. On change, whenever you type, your value is going to text box. And if you look in the pagination part, in pagination is written called, okay, search you are talking.
Yeah, I'm talking about search button, sir.
Search is written here called on change. On change, whenever you type, character by character will go to the keyword variable. Character by character will go to the keyword variable. And keyword variable is a state variable. Right? A state variable. And whenever you change the value under the state, then you can see your map will get called.
Yes.
Map function will get called. Right? And map function will call. Now suppose you have written XYZ. X you wrote. Map will call. It will check in product name where is the X. The product will come that has the X. You write Y. Again the map function will call and it will check what are the product have the Y. Okay? That way filter is happening. Okay, so this code you can add anywhere, wherever you want. You can add this search code as well as business. Check now. Hope work for everyone. Okay, done. Come next then. Next work is which one? Create the build. Yes, so how to create the build? That is the next work. So we can go to the first React server. React server. Now React server is running and the backend server is running. Backend is your JSON server. Right? So backend server should not stop. Backend server let it run. Go to your React project folder and React CMD and then Control C 2 times. Stop the server. Control C nothing but to stop the server we press the Control C. Okay, Control C. Next we have to see how to create the executable program of our project. So you will run like npm run build, npm run build and enter. npm run build and enter. So ready?
Yes, sir.
Enter. It will take 1-2 minutes to create a executable program of your project. Completed.
Yes, sir. Completed. Link is there.
We can see the, if you go here in your VS Code also, in the left hand side, first you close all the files. Whichever the files are open here, there is option called close all, left side. Close all. Like all the files will get closed. Then you can see a folder, new folder called build. Correct? Folder is ready like this, build. Hope is ready for everyone. Build folder. Build folder is the main folder. Build folder is the main folder. Whoever want to give, wherever you want to go, you can just give the build folder. Now click on build folder. You will find following files. A static folder, right? Index.html. I'll go to the folder from there. I should show you. Look at here. If I come to this one, we can see one build folder. Yes. Inside the build folder, see how many lines, how many files? There is only one index.html file. Correct? Other in public, whatever it was, it is direct under the folder. In public folder, some file was there. That is here in the main folder. And under the static, if you see two folders, CSS and JS. Under the CSS, all the CSS code, bootstrap, whatever we have written, not written, all is under this CSS, main.css file. This one, only one file. And under the JS folder, you can see few JS files are there. One is chunk.js, map.js, main.js, right? These files you can see. Yes. These files are pure JavaScript file without a space. Files are JavaScript file without a space. Let me show you. You will get confused that this code is written by me or written by you. Look at here. A static folder, JS folder, click on any JS file. Like suppose this is one main.js file. After clicking on that, see what is inside. You can see from top to bottom and tell me, is it your code? Anyone can identify where you have written button code? Right? Can you see this code, right? This is called as a minified file. Minified file, no space, as well as build program. right? This is called a minified file with no space as well as build complete JavaScript code. Okay. If you want to have a look into the CSS, you can see CSS file. You will see all are in one line. All are in one line. Bootstrap code was different and this code is different. Row, column and all are in one line. No space at all. Correct? This file, if you give to company owner also saying like, suppose you develop a project for someone in React, finally created the build and given him. Tomorrow you want to modify something, he cannot modify because in this file, what they will modify? Will they modify anything in this? They cannot modify because original code is with you. Where is the original code? Under the SRC folder, under the public folder, under the node modules. Tomorrow that client again will start searching on internet, where is Mr. Atif, he developed my project. And then he will come back and he will say, hi Atif, how are you? You developed my project, remember 10 years before, there is some requirement to change. Why he came? Because he cannot modify in that file. A source code is with you, because of that he will come back. Again, if you want to add a new functionality, you have to modify under the SRC folder. Again, create the build and build program give to him, saying like that, take it. Understood? When you download the PhonePe from internet in your mobile, can you modify the code of PhonePe? No. When you download any kind of programs like Visual Studio, Notepad++, MS Word, can you modify the code? No. Because that is called a build program. Executable program, executable, right? Now we need to understand how to run this build program. Our React server is stopped, no doubt. React server is stopped. You can close the CMD also. Okay, one CMD should be running. Live server. This one, the JSON server. JSON server should be running. That is your backend server. If you stop this, then data you will not get. Okay. Come to the index file. In the build folder, there is a file called index.html. Click on that. Okay. Index.html. Right click and format the code. Right click and format. Right click and format. Right click and format. Right click and format. Okay. Have you made the format? Now look at here. Two file is calling. One is called, you can see everywhere slash is added, no? Slash is added, right? So please remove this slash from the local link. Whichever the local links are there, remove the slash from there. Remove the local link slash from the local links. Okay, done.
Favicon is filled.
Favicon, you can remove from there also. Right. Now do the right click and open with the live server. See, the React project is developed, but web application will run using the web server. It is not only HTML file, it is JavaScript code, it has the API call and all. Okay. Hello. Hello. पुराना वाला नहीं, साइड वाला जो है ना, साइड वाला Okay. So run through the live server.
Yeah, it's
Do
working,
the
sir.
right click and run through the live server. Live server. Close your React application and see now. Same functionality is happening or not? You can
Yes,
check
sir.
every day. Log in, log out all. Yesterday I made an account call. Which one? SS. SS it was. And 123 was the password. See, login. Everything is coming. Size seller. Log out. Home page. Cart. 2 items was there. I'll remove that. Went to the my home. Added one cart. Go to the second page. Add one mouse also. Go to the cart. Came. Increase the quantity. Increase the quantity. Decrease the quantity. It will go from the list now. Gone. Place the order. Mohit. Individual can test their project. Save it. Place my order. Order is received. Remaining card you have to clear manually. Once you log in, ss@gmail.com. 1, 2, 3. Happen. If I go here, dashboard, 3 item came. My orders. Mohit has ordered the place. Only 1 item coming. Now everything will be functional 100% as it was. But in this, only one condition, your backend server should run. Because data will come from where? Backend only. If the backend server is not running, then here it will not work. Pagination, PHP, happen. Keyboard, happen. Everything. Other people also can check it. Confirm once working for you or not. Working. Very good. Now I'll guide you what you have to do. In project, you have multiple pages. People will ask you what is the description of your project. Definitely you will say it's an e-commerce project. React e-commerce based on front end, back end, everything. In this, I have covered all the functionality. Register, login. After login, seller will maintain their product order. Then after that, they can see the order list. They can add the product. They can list the product. They can delete the product. Then customer will come like us. Will come to the home page. They can search the product. They can go to the next page. They can do add to cart. Correct. After that, they can go to the cart. They can place the order. After placing the order, this order will display to the whoever is selling this product, right? Sellers, right? After that, you can see it include almost, not almost, you can say all functionality. What you have experienced on internet, correct? Then you will say how to explain the project. So first you have to sit with the pen and paper, and in every pages, first you divide into 2 modules. Front end for the user and back end for the which one? Admin. Seller. One module seller, another module public. In seller module, what are the pages you have? In each page, what functionality you have added? You have to write paragraph wise. Like add product, what you are doing. what are the function used, what is the use of use state, submit button, sweet alert, those all you need to write the description. In product listing, what you are doing, you are deleting, you are adding, you are listing, correct? In order list, what you are doing, in dashboard, what you are doing, for each page, how many pages you have created, for each page, at least 100 words you have to write. 100 words. I'm not saying 500 words, 100 words. What functionality you have written, you can write to at least, correct? So suppose total 10 pages are there. So how many words will be there? 10 into 100, 1000 words. That is sufficient to speak 2 minutes. If anyone will ask you, tell me about your project, you will start explaining from one side. For every component, you say, I have an ad product where I'm doing this one. I have a product list where I'm doing this one. I have a delete product where I'm doing this one. I have an order list where I'm doing this one. I have a dashboard where I'm doing this one. Then after log out, it will come to the customer. Customer can see the product that is in the home page. In home page, what are the functionality I have added? Add to cart, what is happening? How I'm increasing the quantity? How I'm decreasing the quantity? If the quantity becomes 0, how it will get deleted from the server? From the cart, correct? Then after adding the cart, we'll come to the order page where we'll place the order. Customer can, seller can register seller can buy the sell the product. They can log in. We have cart every almost correct. So nearly how many pages? Close to 10 pages, right? 7-8 pages you have. So if you're writing 100 word description, you will have 1000 words at least. Right, and 1000 word is sufficient to explain anyone about your project. So I developed the project, everything I did. Now your turn, what you have written in which component, you have to write in notebook. Don't write in system. This if you write in system, it will not work out. You have to write where? Under the notebook. Okay, and read that twice, thrice, what you have written. Go to your project, run the page, and what you have written, just compare. Have written the similar. If anything, modify that again. Okay. Clear or not? Clear. Then when you go for interview, explain to someone, they will feel like, see, functionality is sufficient, you have done. Okay, it is like a commercial project, what people do in the office. Now, how you are explaining, that is a big matter. And for explaining, you have to make a note, definitely. You have to write it. Okay, you should not ask me to write the notes. Okay, I have developed everything. Now it is your turn to write and explain someone. Each and every page is functionality written in a clean way. Even we have added almost those things that we have studied. Pagination search we have added, correct? So next, little your contribution is required to write the notes and explain it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any complaint? Next complaint, hope it will be for interview calls. So interviews are happening wherever. If you are available here, attend it. If you are not available, virtual interview, whichever are coming, attend it. And market is little slow down since last many months. So hope soon it will come up. But if you are keeping the skill with you, it will be 100% sure. What I have transferred the knowledge with the proper honesty, I think it is sufficient to survive in the market. Okay, and people are surviving also. Okay, people are surviving happily, successfully in the market with no any extra support. But your contribution is also required to revise it, and what you have learned, you have to keep with you. You should not leave it somewhere. Okay, if anyone have any kind of upcoming question or maybe anything positive or negative question answer, you have my number. Anytime you message me, call me, I will be happy to answer you. And apart from that, since schedule is little busy, in case unable to pick the call, unable to reply immediately, but definitely I'll reply you in 10-15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour. Okay. Okay, then the project is end here. Now you have full freedom to fly wherever you want. Okay, attend the interview, whoever is, whichever the, see, and another main important part is in every group, Hema has updated you. She has message, you know, in every group there is a person. Okay, that number starts from here. Oh, hold on, let me write it. That number starts from 97 38001024. Okay. Placement related, please call to this number, and you can keep asking always like I'm not getting calls, or what is the condition, what is happening. This number is especially for that purpose. Okay. Which one? First one for the placement related, all the queries. Certificate related any query, that Kirtana will take care. 8881666608. Kirtana will take care. Okay. And in case if your problem is not getting fixed on this both the number, then my number is available here, 87924626607. You can contact me also. But first, for job placement related, please contact here, because one person cannot do everything. So for that purpose, different person is there. She will guide you for systematic way. She will guide you for the every certificate related other queries also you can ask here. I will be helping you if any technical stuff or any homework from the any company for anywhere you are stuck in. I will be happy to help you. 87924667. How to mention project in, how to mention the project in resume. Write an e-commerce project, React e-commerce project, and write a summary of 10 lines in that. Okay, you can add everything, like at least in home page what you are doing, add to cart what you are doing. Okay, explain same thing in the 5-10 lines you can write there. And the description I told you to write, you must have to write it. Okay, and to get the interview calls tomorrow, if you have not updated your resume, it's 100% priority wise, you need to call to this number, first number. If anyone has not submitted their resume, you will not get interview calls. To get the interview calls, compulsory you have to submit the resume, and you should be there in the placement group. Then only interview calls will come. Okay. So this number you need to contact first, and then make everything ready. Tomorrow 10:30 onwards it will be available. 10:30 to 6:30, anytime you can call. Monday to Saturday it will be available. Okay. Okay then. Thank you. I will share you again SRC folder in your this one group, in WhatsApp group in some time. And thank you for your patience with my what to say, थोड़ा मैं डांट देता हूँ लोग को पढ़ाने के लिए यार, कभी कभी